Delhi is always very special to me for the simple reason that Delhi resonates a lot of things to me. Like, I have family in Delhi. I've got very dear friends in Delhi. And of course, I have come for so many times in Delhi for work. Um, and I've come here for many festivals. I've come here for Durga Pujas. I've come here for dance performances. I've come here for personal connections, personal festivals, personal family festivals. So, family functions. And then, of course, Delhi means a lot to me because Delhi actually promotes culture, promotes heritage, promotes so many things. I mean, it is an epitome of everything, like our heritage, our culture, our cinema, art, music. I think it's that hub where where we can have a lot of things going with beautiful expressions, how people receive it so well, and the performers are so glad to perform in Delhi. So here, this time I have come with a lot of things. Definitely one is my new film which is coming called Puratan with Sharmila Tagore. She's coming in Bengali films after 14 years of hiatus. But this movie is subtitled, so it is for the Indian audience. I should not say it's only for the Bengali audience, but it is like a film which everybody will resonate. And we're so lucky and we are so blessed that we got Sharmila Tagore in our film. And we will be having a pan India release after the 11th of April. It is released in Kolkata. And then we will have a pan India release after 7 days in Delhi, in Bombay, in Hyderabad, Bangalore, and many other cities. And this time, it's also very special to me because in this festival, which I have come for, the iView International Film Festival, curated by Mana Mukherjee, she has actually taken 4 films of mine to be showcased. And one day it was Spotlight Rituparna. That is on the 15th of that was on the 15th of March. It was Spotlight Rituparna, where they showed 4 films of mine. One is, of course, a very, very important film called Ojoggo. Last year, it was a big hit, and it was the 50th film with another very important actor, Prashanjit Chatterjee, because Bengali films swear by this pair, and this was a 50th film by Surinder Films, and the director was Kaushik Ganguly. And the next one, I've done a short film with French collaboration with the Alliance Francaise called The Distances, which was directed again by a very famous director, a national award winning director, Ashok Viswanathan. So that one was showcased, and we had fantastic discussions around it and such insightful discussions in this festival. And then, of course, one short film by my film Shuja Prasad Chatterjee, which I presented and which is also talking about human relationships and mainly women as a whole in their power play and of course the nuances of their relationship. That also talks about women empowerment. So all the films have a bit of women empowerment in there. And of course, last but not the least is Purathon. We had this Delhi premiere here in this festival, and people have absolutely loved the film. And so we're really, really looking forward for a great run of Purathon in our recent after our recent release, which is coming up on 11th of April.
शर्मिला जी की बात की जाए, you worked with her and she's extremely fond of you. Tell us your memories with her.
Oh, I'm so blessed and so glad to have Sharmila ji in our film. I think she is an iconic lady and she's so complete. She's a person with a lot of courage, valor, and a lot of values, and such an accomplished actor for so many years. And still, she's so relevant. I think her new releases with Gul Mohor, and which already won a national award, and I'm so proud to see her. So like she has such infectious energy, and she's so committed to her craft. that it amazes me. After so many years, she's 80 years old and she has just celebrated her 80th birthday. And in our film, we also have a portion of her birthday celebration there. And I think I cannot explain how glad I am to be associated with her, and I'm blessed that she loves me, and she is very, very fond of me. And she expressed her desire to come into Bengali films after a very long time. So we were just having a random discussion, and she said that, you know what, I want to do a Bengali film, and if you can give me a great script and it is with you, I will definitely love to do it. And so it was going on in my head that, of course, Sharmila Tagore, Bengali film, some great script has to be given to her. So eventually, the director of this film, whose name is Shumon Ghosh, who is another national awardee, and he is a professor of economics. This is not absolutely his profession, but he actually had this, obviously he has got this whole affinity to make films, and his other films had also got a lot of accolades. And actually he came to me um, to take an interview in Aparna Sen's, for Aparna Sen's documentary, which he was making that time. So that time he said that, you know, in 1 month's time I'm going to meet Sharmila Tagore and Mamata Shankar for a discussion on Satyajit Ray centenary year, and it is in California. I said, oh my God, you're meeting her. You know, I just had a word with her that we can do a film together. If you have something interesting, let me know. So we actually discussed that time and said that let's make a mother and daughter story, which is like on human relationship. And mother and daughter story actually gives you a, that whole depth of relationship of a mother and daughter, which is so, so precious. And I don't know if you know or not, I just lost my mother 3 4 months back. So this pain is very it will be it will remain with me forever, but the pain is still, like so badly triggering me, that with this film, I feel so many things are relevant in this world, having this mother and daughter relationship. And it has become more precious to me. This film has become more precious to me because losing a mother, I know how it feels. And then when you see a mother and daughter coming together and making we made a film. I don't know, that time I didn't have any idea that my mother will not be there anymore. So it's a loss that I couldn't showcase this film and show my mother. But I think her blessings are there, and of course she will always be there with everything what I do. But it's like a very prized possession for me to have Sharmila ji, who is like a mother figure, and she has done this film with me as a mother. So this movie is special in many ways to me. And of course, our director Shumon has done a wonderful job, and we have Ravi Aigiri, who is another very accomplished cinematographer. And in this movie, we have the music with Alokananda Dasgupta. She's a very eminent music composer, and she has done a lot of works like Jubilee and Sacred Games. She has composed music on those things. And we have got very handsome Indranil Sengupta in this film, who is playing my husband. And we have a fantastic crew. Associate director Monica, who has done a lot of international films, and Ikavali, who's another very accomplished actor. I think the whole palette looks very beautiful, and we have shot in Kolkata, in Meghalaya, very virgin locations, and so yeah. So that's about the film, and I'm really happy to meet the media in Delhi, because I always wanted to meet all of you for the simple reason, Delhi, I always feel that it has got that energy, that whole excitement. And so I really wanted to meet you all and talk about this. I have my friend Anshu, Dr. Anshu here also to support me. And thank you, Parul, for being such a great support. She has flown from Mumbai to support this press conference. And of course, I thank Maina for this beautiful location, this Travancore. And what's your name? Zoya. Zoya is here to help us out. And and my friend Anu is here, who's doing the BTS. I think I wanted to meet you all to just to simply talk about the importance of good films and the kind of films we are doing and the kind of work we want to put forward. It's not about the language but the idea, the ideation, the prominent aspects of life, what we are, what we want to share with you, this different kinds of subjects. I think this festival has chose very interesting, and this festival talks about gender equality, human rights, and human relationships. So this is very important that we talk about these things today, and a lot of interesting content is being made which should be focused and which should be seen by a larger audience. This festival has actually chosen very interesting films. The Melbourne with Imtiaz Ali, Onir, Rima Das, then Kabir Khan, and then they have shown Shameless, which is lauded in Cannes. Anusha Sengupta was here, and I met Anusha a few days back in Kolkata on her screening. So such exchange of great people, great ideas, and then Santosh was a closing film yesterday. So such a great film. And so I think all these kinds of films actually create a lot of repercussion in the audience, and also a lot of asks, a lot of insights, new insights to be given. So yeah, so I'm part of this whole content thing for a very long time, and this is my 30 plus years in this industry, and I'm still looking for great content, still looking for great unexplored areas to be explored. Because an artist, it's never complete. You have to go on and on exploring and discovering new insights and new things in life.
With non-national award winning, sort of team. What is the difference? How does it? How would you define that sort of role which you're playing when you have where you are the national award winner and best are still emerging vis-a-vis with the films that you've recently done?
So, I always believe in human rights and equality. So, I don't have any qualms about it because I feel that I am a learner still and I can learn from anybody whatsoever. Because for me, this craft is so varied and this craft is so beautiful that, every day I want to discover myself in the new light. Because maybe, from the new people who are coming today in the foray, they actually know maybe a lot of things which I don't know. And I feel myself as I am a very vulnerable person there to learn from them and to know things and to understand things. Because this is a very interesting part of an artist, that the artist, just as I said, just a few moments back, I said that an artist is always like a empty pot. Whatever you put there, it will become full, and then again it will turn, and then again it will become empty. So the acceptance and the fulfilling of an artist comes from very deep insights, and it is not complete at any moment of their lives. When they pass away also, so we always say that this person had a lot. Even if he lived the life, he would have given us a lot of things to contribute in this sphere. So I think we say ना that अभी चले गए, बहुत कुछ देना था उनको और भी देना था इंडस्ट्री को. So it is never complete. So that's why I feel very blessed that I have been working with very eminent directors and all the independent directors, newcomers. So my line it's not a line of a particular positioning, but I feel very complete with everyone who are in this industry, who is contributing to the content every day, every moment. So I want to feel relevant whenever, whatever age, whatever time in my life, I want to feel relevant with my audience. So that's why I am striving to do a lot of interesting content which will actually resonate and which will actually give my audience a new fodder from my side, from my contents.
Delhi without Delhi's food is incomplete if you don't talk about that. Tell us what's your favorite here when you travel to the city.
Oh, Delhi has always fascinated me about food. I love Delhi chaats, and those chaats are fantastic. Like Raj Kachori, the Kachori Sabzi, then Pani Puri. And Pani Puri though is my favorite. Back in Kolkata also, I just hog fuchkas. In Kolkata we say fuchka, right? So pani puris and Delhi, and also the old Delhi Mughlai food, you know, like all those galoti kebabs and those sort of all the fantastic kebab ferry I love. So yeah, food is something is very interesting in Delhi, and I love it. Yes.
किसी फिल्म को बड़े प्लेटफॉर्म पे चले जाना बहुत बड़ी अहमियत रखता है। कैन फिल्म हो, ऑस्कर हो, ये जो नेशनल फिल्म फेस्टिवल में आपकी फिल्म गई है, तो ये फर्स्ट रिएक्शन क्या होता है कि जब वो फिल्म आपकी जैसे लोगों को जाती है, बहुत बड़े क्रिएटिव एक्टर हैं, उनके प्लेटफॉर्म पे फिल्म जाती है, जब कैसा लगता है?
बहुत अच्छा लगता है। और हमारी जो फिल्म है पुरातन ऑलरेडी गॉट अ फ्यू अवार्ड्स इन द इंटरनेशनल फोरम। हमारा DSS जो DC एशियन फिल्म फेस्टिवल होता है वहाँ पे बेस्ट एक्ट्रेस और बेस्ट फिल्म का अवार्ड मिल चुके हैं। ह्यूस्टन में मिला है, मामी में इसका शोकेसिंग हुआ है, और इधर भी दिल्ली में इतना अच्छा फेस्टिवल में हुआ। सो आई थिंक वी आर ऑल वेरी प्राउड ऑफ इट। एंड जो भी फिल्म्स ऑस्कर एंट्री या कान में जाते हैं तो वी फील वेरी वेरी प्राउड, बिकॉज इट्स नॉट अबाउट मी बट इट्स अस, बिकॉज आवर थिंग इज दैट आवर pledge is that our films, Indian films, has to have a proper global representation. So वहाँ पे I mean I feel very very, even Santosh has gone for an Oscar nomination, and today Anusha Sengupta has got a best actress in Cannes. So what can be better than this? So we will always be supportive about each other to promote each other's films and be there, and because it's a fraternity. It's not about any particular individual person. It is a fraternity that we are talking about. So fraternity wins, everybody wins. So I believe in that.
समीरा टेगोर जी लीजेंड्स हैं, अपने आप में बहुत आइकॉन भी हैं समझे फिल्म इंडस्ट्री के लिए, और लीजेंड भी हैं। उनके साथ फिल्म का एक्सपीरियंस और जो उनके साथ बहुत बढ़िया। अभी तो मैंने बोला कि आई थिंक शी इज़ वन ऑफ द मोस्ट अकम्पलिश्ड वुमन आई हैव एवर सीन इन माई लाइफ, क्योंकि उनकी जो जुनून है, उनकी जो वजूद है, उनकी जो डेडिकेशन है, अपनी अदाकारा में उनकी जो कंट्रीब्यूशन है, शी इज़ अ ग्रेट अदाकारा। वो इसमें तो कोई टू माइंड्स नहीं है, मैं टू वेज नहीं है, लेकिन जो उनकी अभी भी जितना वो दे सकती है उसके ज़्यादा देती है, और अपनी इतना मेहनत करती है इस उम्र में भी। आई डोंट नो वेदर वी कैन डू और नॉट, बट शी इज़ एन एग्जाम्पल इन हर्सेल्फ। और उसमें वो घर से फ़ोन आते हैं तो उसका भी बात कर रहे हैं, अपने ग्रैंड चिल्ड्रन से भी बात कर रहे हैं, अपनी बेटा बेटी से भी बात कर रहे हैं। सो इट्स अ वेरी, शी इज़ कम्प्लीट इन एवरी पॉसिबल वे। सो उनके साथ काम करना इज़ लाइक अ गिफ्ट टू मी, यू नो, लाइक आई थिंक आई हैव लर्न सो मच फ्रॉम हर, एंड शी हैज़ कंडक्टेड हर लाइफ सो ग्रेसफुली, और अपनी जो ज़िंदगी को उतना अच्छे से संवारा, इतने सारी इतना सारा सारे ज़िंदगी उसको लाइमलाइट में शी रिमेन्ड इन द लाइमलाइट, लेकिन इतना सारा कुछ मिला उसको, फिर भी शी इज़ सो ग्राउंडेड एंड सो ब्यूटिफुल, एंड शी इज़ सो ब्यूटिफुल, शी इज़ एक्सट्रीमली ब्यूटिफुल, एंड शी इज़ गॉर्जियस, एंड शी इज़ एब्सोल्युटली आउट ऑफ द वर्ल्ड। आज भाषा को लेके बहुत बड़ा बात होगा, साउथ को चले, साउथ की भाषा, हिंदी की भाषा, ये सब चीज़ चल रही है फिल्म इंडस्ट्री, तो उसको लेके आपका क्या कहना है? आप कलकत्ता की बात करते हैं, साउथ की बात आती है यहाँ पर, तो कहता है जी हिंदी में फिल्म बनती है, लेकिन हिंदी को ज़्यादा इम्प्रूवमेंट नहीं साउथ में मिल रहा है, लेकिन हिंदी फिल्म डब जरूर कर रहे हैं।
लेकिन देखिए अभी भाषा का ना बहुत एक ये, दिस इज़ अ वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग प्रॉब्लम या इंटरेस्टिंग एक्सरसाइज हो रहा है। भाषा एक्चुअली वी हैव ट्रांसेंडेड द बाउंड्रीज। भाषा की अभी, इसलिए मैंने बोला कि ये भाषा की बात नहीं है, ये फीलिंग की बात है। बिकॉज मूवी को हम सब लोग अभी कोरियन फिल्म देख रहे हैं, अभी चाइनीज़ फिल्म देख रहे हैं, अभी जर्मन फिल्म देख रहे हैं, फ्रेंच फिल्म्स देख रहे हैं, तो उसके साथ हम लोग आइडेंटिफाई कर सक रहे हैं, मतलब वी कैन आइडेंटिफाई विद देम, बिकॉज वो कुछ इमोशंस होता है, वो बहुत ही मतलब बहुत यूनिवर्सल है वो। अभी मदर एंड सन का जो रिलेशनशिप, या हस्बैंड वाइफ की रिलेशनशिप, या एक फ्रेंड के साथ रिलेशनशिप, या कोई सिचुएशन की, अगर कुछ सिचुएशन हुआ फैमिली में, वो उसका जो रिलेशनशिप, वो सब थोड़ा बहुत थोड़ा बहुत कल्चरल डिफरेंस होता है, लेकिन ह्यूमन रिलेशनशिप में वो एक जगह आ जाती है सब। तो इसीलिए भाषा की कुछ उतना भी मतलब हम लोग डिफरेंशिएट नहीं कर सकते, बिकॉज भाषा इज़ नॉट वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट एनी मोर, बिकॉज सब भाषा में हम लोग देख सकते हैं कि क्या हो रहा है, एंड वी वांट टू सी फिल्म्स इन मेनी लैंग्वेजेस. दैट इज़ द पॉइंट, बिकॉज ओपनिंग द OTT एंड गिविंग सच बिग ब्रॉड स्पेक्ट्रम ऑफ OTT, जहाँ पे OTT आ गए हैं, तो हम लोग की जो फिल्म का जो वर्ल्ड है वो बहुत स्मॉल हो गए हैं. इट इज़ बिकम अ वेरी स्मॉल वर्ल्ड. इसीलिए पहले जो होता था, वी डिडंट गेट एनी एक्सेस टुवर्ड्स दिस फिल्म्स, हमारे पास वो एक्सेस नहीं थे. लेकिन अभी जो एक्सेस हो गया तो लोग हैव स्टार्टेड कंपेयरिंग दिस थिंग्स. सो हमारी कंटेंट उतना ही अच्छा होना चाहिए जो फिर कंपेरेबल जगह जाना चाहिए.
हॉलीवुड है, बॉलीवुड है, टॉलीवुड है, और उसमें नॉर्थ ईस्ट की भी फिल्म इंडस्ट्री को भी नाम दिया हुआ, लेकिन कलकत्ता की फिल्म इंडस्ट्री को भी कोई नाम ऐसा आता नहीं है कहीं भी. तो उसको लेके आप क्या?
नहीं, ऐसी बात नहीं है. कैलकाटा फिल्म्स का भी नहीं, कैलकाटा फिल्म इंडस्ट्री भी बहुत नाम है. कैलकाटा फिल्म इंडस्ट्री में सत्यजीत रे है, ऋतिक घटक है, तपन सिन्हा है, बुद्धदेव दासगुप्ता है, मृणाल सेन है, बहुत सारे, अभी सृजित मुखर्जी है, कौशिक गांगुली है, शिव प्रसाद नंदिता दी है. तो बहुत अच्छे डायरेक्टर्स हैं जिसके नाम हम ले सकते हैं. लेकिन हाँ, कैलकाटा की जो है, हम लोग रीजनल बाउंड्रीज़ में काम कर रहे हैं, लेकिन अभी बहुत सारे फिल्म्स जा रहे हैं बाहर. हम कोशिश कर रहे हैं और भी उसका ट्रैक्शन बढ़ाने के लिए. इसीलिए ये सब फेस्टिवल्स बहुत ज़रूरी होते हैं कि जिसके ज़रिए हम लोग पहुंच सकते हैं इंटरनेशनल ऑडियंस तक. तो ये फेस्टिवल्स बहुत मायने रखते हैं हमारी ज़िंदगी में और हमारे काम को एक्चुअली शोकेस करने में. सो आई थिंक दिस इज़ अ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट पॉइंट कि हम ये सब फेस्टिवल्स में आए और हमारी इंटरनेशनल ऑडियंस के साथ इंटरेक्शन हुए. तो दिस इज़ समथिंग वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट दैट वी आर लुकिंग फॉर. इसीलिए इसका जो पब्लिसिटी वहाँ होगा, तो और थोड़ा सा ऑडियंस को भी ना कॉन्शियसली प्रमोट भी करना पड़ता है. लाइक साउथ इंडियन ऑडियंस या मराठी ऑडियंस या गुजराती ऑडियंस, दे आर वेरी गुड विथ प्रोमोटिंग देयर ओन लैंग्वेज. तो बंगाल में भी वैसे भी होना चाहिए. बंगाल इज़ लिटिल फ्लॉड विथ ऑल काइंड्स ऑफ लैंग्वेज. तो थोड़ा सा बंगाल को भी थोड़ा सा कॉन्शियसनेस बढ़ाना चाहिए इस मामले में. जी, अभी तो दिखाया गया है 4 मूवीज़. एक तो अयोग्य, जो हमने बात किया अभी प्रसन्नजीत के साथ, जो 50th फिल्म कौशिक गांगुली की, और एक डिस्टेंस बोल के हम लोग शॉर्ट फिल्म किया फ्रेंच कोलैबोरेशन के साथ अशोक विश्वनाथन की, और पुरातन अभी आ रहे हैं. अभी फेस्टिवल में दिखाया गया. अभी शर्मिला टैगोर जी थी, मैं और इंद्रनील सेनगुप्ता और सुमन घोष डायरेक्टर. तो और ये भी रिलीज़ हो रही है बाकायदा 11th of April, और एक हफ्ते में पैन इंडिया रिलीज़ होगा.
तो क्या शॉर्ट मूवी?
हाँ,
शॉर्ट मूवी है क्या?
नो, इट्स अ बिग फुल लेंथ फिल्म. हाँ, इसीलिए हम लोग बात किया, बिकॉज दिस मूवी इज़ वेरी स्पेशल टू मी, और आप लोगों को भी वेरी स्पेशल है. इसीलिए हम मीट करना चाह रहे थे, क्योंकि दिस मूवी इज़ नॉट ओनली फॉर मी बट फॉर द इंडियन ऑडियंस ऑल्सो. दिस मूवी इज़ स्पेशल.